Namaste and welcome to Learning Nepali. It's me, Rutmiri Shrestha. Today we will learn some vocabularies with example sentences of our recent video, Sundari Jal. If you haven't watched it yet, you can go to our YouTube channel and check our recent videos. And if you have already watched it, I hope you enjoyed it. So now let's go and learn some vocabularies and sentences. First is Kathmandu. Kathmandu. The example sentence is Kathmandu is the capital city of Nepal. In नेपाली काठमाडौँ नेपालको राजधानी सहर हो. काठमाडौँ नेपालको राजधानी सहर हो. Next is Ratna Park. Ratna Park, which is the name of the place. Here the example sentence is We took bus from Ratna Park to Sundari Jal. In नेपाली हामीले रत्न पार्कबाट सुन्दरी जल जाने बस समात्यौं. Next is जोरपाटी. जोरपाटी, which is also the name of the place. Here the sentence example is After Jorpati, hills and greenery begins. In नेपाली जोरपाटी पछि पहाड र हरियाली सुरु हुन्छ. जोरपाटी पछि पहाड र हरियाली सुरु हुन्छ. Next is Sundarijal waterfall, which means Sundarijal झरना. Sundarijal झरना. Now the example sentence is The Sundarijal waterfall is a popular hiking spot. In नेपाली सुन्दरीजल झरना एक लोकप्रिय पदयात्रा स्थान हो. सुन्दरीजल एक लोकप्रिय पदयात्रा स्थान हो. सुन्दरीजल टेम्पल. In नेपाली सुन्दरीजल मन्दिर. सुन्दरीजल मन्दिर. The sentence is The Sundarijal temple is near waterfall. In नेपाली सुन्दरीजल मन्दिर झरनाको नजिक छ. सुन्दरीजल मन्दिर झरनाको नजिक छ. Next is Sundarijal dam. In नेपाली सुन्दरीजल बाँध. Sundarijal बाँध. The sentence is The Sundarijal dam stores water for the city. In नेपाली सुन्दरीजल बाँधले सहरका लागि पानी सङ्कलन गर्छ. सुन्दरीजल बाँधले सहरका लागि पानी सङ्कलन गर्छ. Next is traffic. In नेपाली we say traffic or सवारी भीड. सवारी भीड. But Nepali often uses the word traffic itself. So the example sentence is The traffic is heavy near Chaba Hill. In नेपाली चाबा हिल वरिपरि धेरै ट्राफिक हुन्छ. चाबा हिल वरिपरि धेरै ट्राफिक हुन्छ. Next is hills, which means pahad. Pahad. Here the sentence is You can see green hills after Jorpati. In नेपाली जोरपाटी पछि हरिया पहाडहरू देखिन्छन्. जोरपाटी पछि हरिया पहाडहरू देखिन्छन्. Villages. In नेपाली गाउँ. गाउँ. The sentence is The bus passes through small villages. In नेपाली बस ससाना गाउँहरू हुँदै जान्छ. बस ससाना गाउँहरू हुँदै जान्छ. Next is river. In Nepali, खोला or नदी. खोला or नदी. Here the example sentence is the road follows the Bagmati river. In Nepali, बाटो बागमती खोलाको किनारासँगै जान्छ. बाटो बागमती खोलाको किनारैसँग जान्छ. Next is journey. In Nepali, yatra. Yatra. The sentence is the journey takes about an hour. In Nepali, यात्रा करिब 1 घण्टाको हुन्छ. यात्रा करिब 1 घण्टाको हुन्छ. Next is gate. In Nepali, we say ढोका, but we usually use the word gate itself. So, sentence is we enter the park through the main gate. In Nepali, हामी मुख्य गेटबाट पार्कमा प्रवेश गर्छौं. हामी मुख्य गेटबाट पार्कमा प्रवेश गर्छौं. Stream, which means खोलो. खोलो. Sentence is a clear stream flows behind the path. In Nepali, बाटोको छेउमा सफा खोलो बगिरहेको हुन्छ. बाटोको छेउमा सफा खोलो बगिरहेको हुन्छ. Next is tea stall. In Nepali, चिया पसल. चिया पसल. The sentence is we stopped at a tea stall for a short break. In Nepali, हामी केही बेर चिया पसलमा रोकियौं. हामी केही बेर चिया पसलमा रोकियौं. Next is shade. In Nepali, छाया. छाया. Sentence is the trees give us shade. In Nepali, रुखहरूले छाया दिन्छ. रुखहरूले छाया दिन्छ. For entry fee in Nepali, प्रवेश शुल्क. प्रवेश शुल्क. The sentence is the entry fee for Nepali is 100 rupees. In Nepali, नेपालीहरूको लागि प्रवेश शुल्क 100 रुपैयाँ हो. नेपालीहरूको लागि प्रवेश शुल्क 100 रुपैयाँ हो. Holy month. नेपाली पवित्र महिना. So in Nepal, Nepalese believe holy month as the month of Shravan. So we will use Shravan Mahina for example sentence. Many visitors visit temple during the holy month of Shravan. In Nepali, श्रावण महिनामा धेरै भक्तहरू मन्दिर आउँछन्. श्रावण महिनामा धेरै भक्तहरू मन्दिर आउँछन्. Next is dam. In Nepali, बाँध. बाँध. The sentence is the dam supports the Sundarijal hydropower station. In Nepali, यो बाँध सुन्दरी जलविद्युत केन्द्रसँग जोडिएको छ. यो बाँध सुन्दरी जलविद्युत केन्द्रसँग जोडिएको छ. Here hydropower means जलविद्युत. जलविद्युत. Where station means केन्द्र. केन्द्र. Next example sentence for dam is we rested for a while near the dam. In Nepali, हामी बाँध नजिक केही बेर विश्राम गर्यौं. हामी बाँध नजिक केही बेर विश्राम गर्यौं. Sign board in Nepali, Sanket Party. Sanket Party. The sentence is the signboard shows trail to Chisapani and Tap Dam. In Nepali, सङ्केत पार्टीले चिसापानी र ढाप ड्याम जाने बाटो देखाउँछ। सङ्केत पार्टीले चिसापानी र ढाप ड्याम जाने बाटो देखाउँछ। नेक्स्ट इज भ्याली नेपाली उपत्यका। उपत्यका The sentence is You can see the Kathmandu Valley from here. नेपाली यहाँबाट काठमाडौँ उपत्यका देखिन्छ। यहाँबाट काठमाडौँ उपत्यका देखिन्छ। Worship in Nepali पूजा पूजा Here the sentence is People worship the goddess here. In Nepali मानिसहरूले यहाँ देवीको पूजा गर्छन्। मानिसहरूले यहाँ देवीको पूजा गर्छन्। Next is courtyard. नेपाली we say आँगन आँगन The sentence is The temple courtyard is clean and peaceful. नेपाली मन्दिरको आँगन सफा र शान्तिमय छ। मन्दिरको आँगन सफा र शान्तिमय छ। Protect in Nepali रक्षा रक्षा Here the sentence is Local believes the goddess protects the area. In Nepali स्थानीयहरूले विश्वास गर्छन् कि देवीले ठाउँको रक्षा गर्छन्। स्थानीयहरूले विश्वास गर्छन् कि देवीले ठाउँको रक्षा गर्छन्। For journey ends. नेपाली यात्राको अन्त्य यात्राको अन्त्य The sentence is The trek ends at सुन्दरीजल bus park. In Nepali यात्रा सुन्दरीजल बस पार्कमा गएर अन्त्य हुन्छ। यात्रा सुन्दरीजल बस पार्कमा गएर अन्त्य हुन्छ। So thank you for staying with me till the end of our lesson. I hope you learned some more vocabularies and sentences from today's lesson. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more interesting Nepali classes. So until next time, namaste.